Need to safely disconnect Google Messages for web from your computer. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign out of Google Messages for web step by step. You'll learn how to sign out from your browser, remove paired devices from your phone, and keep your messages secure on shared computers. Start by opening Google Messages for web in your browser. Make sure your conversations have finished syncing before you begin the sign out process. Look for the menu or settings options in Google Messages for web. If a sign out option is available, click it and confirm your choice. This disconnects your current browser session from your phone. For additional security, open the Google Messages app on your Android phone. Tap your profile picture, choose device pairing, and review the list of connected computers. Find the computer you just used, then tap Sign Out or Unpair next to that device. So confirm the action if prompted. The browser will immediately lose access to your messages. Return to your computer and refresh the Google Messages for web page. Instead of your conversations, you should now see the QR code used for pairing a new device. If you're using a public or shared computer, always sign out before leaving. This simple habit helps prevent other people from accessing your conversations and keeps your personal messages secure. And that's how to sign out of Google Messages for web. Whether you're switching devices or using a shared computer, signing out is one of the easiest ways to protect your privacy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful technology guides, and thanks for watching.